The Steel Grade Selector interactive calculator helps engineers identify the optimal steel grade based on specific design requirements and operating conditions. Let's explore the input fields. First, select your selection mode from 6 options: by mechanical properties, by corrosion resistance, by temperature service, by weldability requirements, by machinability index, or by specific application. For this demonstration, I'm using by mechanical properties. Next, enter your minimum tensile strength in MPa, minimum yield strength in MPa, minimum hardness in HRC, and minimum elongation percentage. Choose your environment type from mild, moderate, marine, chemical, or high-temperature oxidation. I've selected mild. Set your required service life in years, then your minimum and maximum service temperature in degrees Celsius. For our example, I've entered 400 MPa tensile strength, 250 MPa yield strength, 20 HRC hardness, 15% elongation, 20 years service life, with temperatures from 10 to 400 degrees Celsius. After clicking Calculate, the tool provides recommended steel grades that meet all specified criteria, along with their chemical compositions, mechanical properties, and suitability ratings for your application. This calculator streamlines material selection and ensures your chosen steel meets all performance requirements. Find the link in the description below.